We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
You can tell he's ready for the marathon. They put in a lot of work to be this close. Oh my god. Who do you think is having fun? This is the reason why my dog always wake up early on Saturday. You don't need to sing when go away, they're having fun. Why is he everywhere? Oh my god, he's so cute. She's surprised how cute she is. Now she found a new friend. Amazing pups are exploring the wood, and you're gonna be wondering how beautiful the wood is. Honestly, this dog gave the most amazing reaction. I am wondering who teach him how to ride the scooter. And he's riding it like a legend. He knows the move and what to do. Very close, funny friend. To be honest, I thought it was just a teddy bear, wondering why his hand was moving up and down. Do dogs really love ice cream? Drop a comment on that. He's so tired after a long day of fun. Winning is part of what makes him feel dizzy.
What's that smell? It smells like honey. It's you.
Both still don't understand what he's saying.
Ooh, tell me, did you just have toast with honey on it? Because you smell.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No! Fuck!
Hungry there, little bug.
Are you okay with that, Mum? She's being very aggressive.
Are you ready? Dogs that are better than my dog. Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Number one. None, because you're the best. You're the best.
Make him cry for real. Please don't make him cry.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.
He was being rescued.
So call my time,
Hope is never lost.
but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but never thought.
You won't believe what she just did. Who knew dog actually love watermelon?
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this on.
Hey, oh my god, it's crazy. I'm loving it.
Gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down.
They don't need to get angry with him. He's securing the land.
Bosa, how are you? Hi.
His innocent face is actually what is making me amazed. Like,
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
I hope you love these videos and see the beauty behind having a dog. And if you love these videos, please do well to like and subscribe.